by Nevs.
Hi everyone, Joffrey here and welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to take a look at the Vivo V30 Lite 5G, a mid-range smartphone that promises to deliver a smooth and fast performance with a stunning display and camera as well. But is this phone live up to the hype and worth your money? Come on guys, join with me and let's find it out. But before that, if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss all my latest gadget reviews. Let's get it started. The Vivo V30 Lite 5G is now available globally, and it is available with 12GB of RAM with 256 storage option. The price of the phone is 1,099 dirhams here in Dubai or around 16,500 pesos in the Philippines, which is quite competitive for a 5G device. Now first, let's talk about the design. This phone has a sleek and elegant design as well, with a glass front and back and a plastic frame. It comes in two colors, crystal black and leather purple. The one I have here is the purple, which has a vegan leather at the back. The phone is also IP54 rated, which means it is a dust and splash resistant. The phone has 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels and a refresh rate of 120Hz. The display is bright and vibrant with excellent contrast and color accuracy. The display also has a fingerprint sensor under the screen, which is fast and reliable. Now moving on to the performance. This phone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 4 Gen 2, a 5G chipset, which is a 4nm octa-core processor with a clock speed of 2.2 GHz. The phone also has an Reno 613 GPU, which handles the graphics, paired with 12GB of RAM plus 12GB virtual RAM to optimize the performance and 256GB of internal storage. And it runs on Android 14 with FunTouch OS 14 as well for custom UI. The phone has a smooth and responsive performance with no lag or stutter. This phone also can handle multitasking, gaming, and 5G connectivity with ease. The phone has also NFC, 5.0 Bluetooth, a USB Type-C port, and an IP54 dust and splash resistant. Now let's talk about the camera. This phone has a dual camera setup on the back with a 50MP main sensor with f1.8 aperture, an 8MP ultra-wide camera with f2.2 aperture, and a flicker camera at the bottom. And of course, it has an 8MP front selfie camera. The main camera takes decent photos in good lighting conditions, capturing details and color accurately. The ultra-wide lens is also useful for capturing expansive landscape. However, low-light performance could be better with images appearing grainy and lacking details, and it is limited to 1080p 30 frames per second video recording. Now in terms of the battery, this phone has a 5000 mAh battery, which can last for a full day of moderate usage that supports a whopping 80 watts wired charging, which can charge the phone from 0 to 100% in just 30 minutes, which is a great option for this device. Alright, now let me tell you my final verdict of this device. The Vivo V30 Lite 5G is a great mid-range smartphone with a smooth and fast performance, a stunning display and camera, and a decent battery life with a sleek and elegant design as well, and of course with 5G connectivity. This phone is a good choice for anyone who wants a premium experience at an affordable price. So that's it for today's review of the Vivo V30 Lite 5G. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.